Hi, welcome. This is Maria Justine Nicole Zimasong, your teacher for today. Analytic Rubric. Analytic Rubric is a two-dimensional rubric with levels of achievement as columns and assessment criteria as rows. Allows you to assess participants' achievements based on multiple criteria using a single rubric. You can assign different weights or volume to different criteria and include an overall achievement by totaling the criteria. So, why is analytic rubric important? Like any other evaluation tool, analytic rubrics are useful for certain purposes and not for others. The main purpose of analytic rubrics is to assess performances. For some performances, you observe the student in the process of doing something, like using an electric drill or discussing an issue. For other performances, you observe the product that is the result of the student's work, like a finished bookshelf or a written report. Analytic scoring means scoring the properties or components, such as handwriting, sentences, or title constituting the writing. To this end, the properties which the written expression should contain are determined. The different property parts are evaluated separately. Consequently, assessments performed on the basis of the analytic rubrics takes time, but there is consensus among many scientists that analytic scoring is wider, more comprehensive, and useful. So, what is the advantage of using analytic rubric in assessing your students? Analytic scoring provides guidance to teachers for teaching activities and to students for their performances, and provides them with more information about the current situation, and owing to more orderly and comprehensive feedback to assist determination of the strong and weak aspects in students' performance. To sum it up, an analytic rubric features or assembles a table with the criteria which is listed in the leftmost column of the table. It also has a level of performance which often used in percentage, numbers, or even descriptive tags. The cell within the table can be left blank or has a description that criteria looked like for each level of performance. The reason why analytical rubric is beneficial to both teacher and learner is because in the teacher's part, they could assess the strength and weaknesses of the student, and in the student's part, they would have knowledge on which part they needed a room for improvement, as well as their strength. That would be all. Thank you, and see you in the next class.